man? Poppin', man. It's your boy J Money, and I'm back again with another video. Another one. Yeah, as you can see, it's dark outside. You feel me? But it's like 6 o'clock right now, and I'm about to head to the barbershop actually. We get a haircut before we leave to go down to the beach. And yes, as you see by the thumbnail and title, we're going, well, yeah. Me and my family are going down to Myrtle Beach for my birthday. Today, August 5th. So we're gonna leave today and then come back Sunday because we're not that rich to stay for a whole week, you feel me? So if y'all wanna cash out me some money, I'll put my cash app down below, you feel me? Or on the screen, so y'all can send me some money because your boy broke. But yeah, so that's what we're gonna do today during this vlog. And yeah, so if y'all not subscribed already or watching my stuff, go ahead and do that, you feel me? Subscribe, like, and comment, please. Really appreciate it. Thanks. And yeah, so let's get straight into it. Alright, y'all, just made it back from the barbershop, you feel me? Yes, sir. Sirski. Say no, but we about to go in this house, see if everybody's up, and then we'll I guess we'll hit the road, I guess. Whatever. Let's go see if everybody up. So weird. Oh, something else. Oh, here we go. Had to get my glasses out, you feel me? Everything like that. Hello? Hello? Let's see. Hello?
Happy birthday, child! Happy birthday!
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
Yeah. Where you go?
Barbershop.
Oh, okay.
No, yeah. What? Yeah.
Happy birthday, son. So what's
21 years old.
You ready?
Legal.
22.
Huh?
22. Oh, God. You 22.
Something like that. Y'all ready? What y'all doing?
Getting ready now, son. Getting ready.
Huh?
And how Julian get down there?
He said he'll come Saturday.
Okay.
He'll just come Saturday, so yeah.
Well, you have to check the fair. How long is that from there to there?
Probably like, I don't know.
Probably a little over an hour.
Okay.
Well,
When we went down there, when we went over, it was.
We gotta let these dogs out, you feel me? One of them already outside. Oh, there she go. Get back in. Come here. Come here. Okay. She old, y'all. She old. Alright, now let's go. Let these black bums out. Oh my gosh. Look at them. Oh. Ace. Alright, bro. Alright. Relax. I'll put y'all one outside one. Alright, y'all. We outside with it. This man is, I don't know what's wrong with him. A little crackhead. Alright, let's go, bro. This man is too big to be holding with one hand, bro. It's crazy. And We didn't even have to go that far from the poop. Usually he'll spin around a couple of times and then poop, but that man is crazy. Alright, y'all, so we just made it to Bojangles. First stop of this whole trip, you feel me? And yeah, it looks packed in here, but we're about to see what's going on up in here. What y'all be getting from Bojangles? I'll be getting just a chicken sandwich or cheese.
About a fit, I'm a hype. I don't want more friends, there's a problem. I been living like a king since I hopped in. Yeah, my foot is in the bins, yeah, I'm riding with a gang. Yeah, I hit a hot lick, I'm the top shit. Bought a 2-seater, it's a Beamer, more than 100 racks. VV's Aquafina, I be iced, I don't ever cap. First name deal, I got my bag, yeah, we automatic. Ice cream reefer, hold it up, yeah, we feeling gas. Driving with a Tahoe, going 100, running Florida. Riding with my shawty, yeah, I knew I had to flow it up.
Alright, y'all, after a long 8 hours of agonizing butt pain and back pain, we're in Myrtle Beach. You should look for a towel. Out outside, I don't know where the towels are. Oh, they up here. Alright. These are the only towels they got?
Huh?
So these don't.
They don't have pictures, they just have.
No, I'm saying the only towels.
No. That wall over.
Oh, alright. What if I get the Confederate flag? Come on, can I get the Confederate flag? Oh yeah. Gotcha. I had to change the fit. Got the pink shirt, the steak shirt. You know how I'm rocking? Let me put it back this way. Dang, that was mad close. Alright. I don't know which one to get. Ooh, I know exactly what I can get. Y'all know me. Y'all already know. Y'all think I should get this? Shut up. It was either this one or this lion. Oh, it got an elephant on it. I thought it was just a lion, but why not, right? Little Dalmatian firefighter hat. Oh, I said, Ma, let me get a Confederate flag towel. Get that. I kid. People would look at me so weird. Y'all think I got a good voice?
That's a wolf. Oh, that's nice.
Dalmatian. A Dalmatian.
Oh, Dalmatian. I thought it was a wolf. That's nice, you wanna?
Yeah, I'll take it, I guess.
Did you see one with Ace on?
No. I think I actually did. I think I seen a black dog over there, but all right.
We are leaving the store right now. And we're about to head to our first location here. So I'll hit y'all back up when we get there. Alright. We have made it to jet skis. We're about to get on some jet skis. And yeah. I do. I can't go too fast, bro. This thing goes super fast. Real fast, real quick. We outside with it, y'all. We got the jet ski going. I was about to turn anyway. But we outside with it, sir. Oh, there's a fish that I gotta show y'all, bro. Cause that mess big as I don't know what. Let me see. I think I see it too, bro. Bro. Yo, look how big this fish is, bro. Here come my brother right now. Alright, y'all. We just got done with jet skis.
Did you video on the
A little
out
bit.
there?
Yeah, a little bit.
You should have given it to me so I can get you.
Right.
It's alright. But yeah, that was pretty fun. I just keep doing donuts.
Yeah, the donuts is fun
I
too.
saw you come over. Like Logan never came down.
Oh,
I did come
oh
down.
he did a couple of
I
times.
seen you come down.
Yeah.
It's like waves. It's just terrible. Like the way water moves is.
Being able to,
I was about to jump in.
kind of control yourself in the water.
Yeah, I was hot. I wanted to get in the water, but nah.
It took like 30 hours for him to get in his parking spot.
It's 3 of them.
Oh.
I should have left the tip for him.
Huh?
I should have left the tip for him.
Well, you know.
Boy,
he
he
was the one that helped them. So it'll probably go to him. It'll probably go to him because he was the one that instructed you and blah, 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 blah.
And it was like, Logan, it's a two-way highway. You on the wrong side.
well, the dude in orange.
Yeah. He was just playing.
Yeah, I was trying to like record and stuff. He was like, "What you up with you and your brother?" I said, "Nothing. We just chilling, relaxing."
Everybody want to go slow, like,
Yeah.
I'm glad y'all have fun too.
Where to next? Wait, what time is it?
We go
to the
place. Check in.
Oh, I'll pick y'all up.
them houses. It's like a little.
Let me get there.
Them houses.
All right, y'all. We done made it to our. What was I trying to say? Something. I forgot. But we living in B9.
Third floor, T left.
Made it to our Airbnb. Ugh. I'm so tired. It's hot outside.
What's the code? 03.
Oh snap! Oh, we got a little area in there. Don't spill it out. This is the way we need to be on the beach with this type of thing.
Right.
Uh-oh. What? This is nice. TV grips. Look, oh. So we got a little kitchen. Look real old in here. Yeah, this is old. What's good with y'all? So this is somebody's house.
They don't let you use their stuff, right?
Oh, look at our kids.
I know. Dang. I mean, I'm gonna make a picture here. We're gonna take a picture, y'all, and we're gonna leave it right here so they can have a picture of us.
But they're all babies though.
But over here. Alexa.
We got a little Alexa. Oh, this is gonna be. Oh my gosh, ain't nobody hooking up no Xbox to this TV. Tiny little TV. There's probably no HDMI cord on there. We got a little twin bed. My brother about to be sleeping here. It's so old in here. I'm thirsty. Look at my phone, y'all. My phone is crap. It's like 30 minutes to fix this.
Please do not touch anything besides toilet paper. Please leave the parking lot. Please leave any parking passes, pool passes,
Alexa.
or any other unit item in the unit.
Somebody grandma live here. Hopefully don't have no like recording thing. Looking at you right now. Look at me. Oh, got a little screen. I don't think that's how it's done. I think that's good. I see you. I see you, boy. Don't go nowhere. Alright, let me show you what that's like. Oh, we can't take it. We are not. That TV?
Yes, look what it is.
That TV
Wow.
is tiny.
Alright, well.
I'll pick y'all up whenever we find something to do after we search this grandma's house. Alright, YouTube. We back again. We went to the beach and came back to the house. Showered. Got dressed and everything. Now I'm about to go eat. And yeah. So the place we about to go is the best seafood place down here in Myrtle Beach, bro. The best. Like, if y'all come down here, I should go to it. It's called Seafood. I'll show you when we get there. So yeah, I'll pick y'all up when we get there. Alright, we out here. We out here, you see it? I know you don't see nothing yet. But I had to put some shoes on. You know the ones. And yeah. It used to be a little pirate out here, man. Alright, y'all. This is what I got for right now. Got 2 pieces of bread. Oh, jeez. I forgot how close I was. 2 pieces of bread, fries, and some tenders. They got some crab legs up there, but... Oh, jeez.
There's some crab crackers in there.
Appreciate you.
Yeah, of course.
I'll go back out there, but... It's tiny plates. Hush puppies. Alright, y'all. We done left to get something to eat. And now we walking into Walmart because my mom needs some, I don't know what she needs, some lotion or some soap. So she can take a shower to get the sand off of her. Voila. Yeah. I don't really know how well this vlog is going, but if y'all want me to do a part 2 tomorrow, y'all just let me know so I can post it if I want to post it, and if not, so be it. So, are y'all? What are you getting, Mom? YouTube. Ashley, I got your video for you.
She said she waiting for it, Jimmy.
Oh, alright.
She waiting for it, buddy. She waiting for it, buddy.
This Walmart looks so different.
$80 for this? Yeah, I need to speak to you.
That TV, well, you can buy it and then bring it back. Buy that thing and bring it back. He said, come this way, baby. Crazy. He's still... I think he about to get up. Oh, I think my hand all on the camera. Like... Yeah, I don't know how well this vlog is going, y'all, but like I said, if y'all like it, let me know if y'all want a part 2 tomorrow, because I think today was just off the noggin, type beat. But yeah, I'll do a part 2 tomorrow because we got some things planned. And yeah, I don't know when. I'll pick y'all up when we find what she's looking for. Alright, y'all. We are walking out of Walmart, bruh. I might end it right here, you feel me? So if you like this vlog, like, comment, subscribe, you feel me? If you want me to do another one, I'll do it tomorrow. And yeah. So catch y'all later. Alright, y'all, that was a pretty weak closing when I was walking from Walmart, so let me do it again. Alright, y'all, this is the end of the video. If you like this video, please like, comment, subscribe. I don't really think this was a good vlog, really, but if I like it, I'm gonna post it. If I don't like it, I might still post it, bro. I don't know, but I don't know, cause I might do a part 2 since we staying here until Sunday, so I might do a part 2, you feel me? So I don't know. I'm gonna go through this video, and if I like it, like I said, I'm gonna post it, and if not, I might still post it because I need videos for real. But yeah, like, comment, subscribe if you're not already, and turn on post notifications. And I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.
Riding with my shawty, yeah, I knew I had to forward her. Looking like a bottle, shawty bad, yeah, she